How to download and install War of Tanks Blitz on PC or laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna show you the ways to download and install World of Tank Blitz on PC or laptop. So to do this procedure, you have to first of all install Steam. So then go ahead and open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in steampower.com. That's going to take you to the official page, and here you have to go ahead and press the install Steam button. When you do that, it's going to take you to the page where you can go ahead and locate the device that you are installing Steam on, and then you could go ahead and run the installation. When you're done with that procedure, then go ahead and register yourself. When you have completely registered, then we need to go to stores, and right on this page you have to go ahead and tap the search box and type in the game that you're looking for. That is World of Tank Blitz. Go ahead and type in that. You need to double press on it. It's going to take you to the info section, which is going to look something like this. Here, you need to scroll down a bit and go to add to cart. When you've added a product to your cart, you could go ahead and click on view my cart and then continue to payment. When you are on the checkout procedure, go ahead and add your payment method and source all that, and then you'll have successfully purchased the game. When you're done purchasing the game, next interface is that you have to go ahead and download and install as well as create your account. Then you could go and play World of Tank Blitz on PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.